In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a video frame as PNG in CapCut PC. If you need to grab a single, clean image from your video timeline, CapCut makes it very simple. This is especially useful when you want to save a spreadsheet view, a presentation slide, or any visual moment as a separate image file without losing clarity. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to capture that frame and export it as a high-quality PNG on your computer. To begin, go down to your timeline and select your main video clip so you're working with the correct piece of footage. Once that's selected, find the vertical playhead line and drag it left or right along the timeline. As you move it, keep watching the preview window carefully. Your goal here is to stop on the exact frame you want to save as an image. Take your time with this part, because even a tiny movement can land you on a slightly different moment. If your video includes text, charts, or spreadsheet details, being precise here will help make sure the exported image shows exactly what you need. Once the playhead is lined up on the perfect frame, move your cursor to the quick toolbar above the timeline. Look toward the far right side of that toolbar and click the icon with 3 horizontal lines. This opens a small drop-down menu with extra options. From that menu, choose Export Still Frame. As soon as you click it, CapCut will open a dedicated settings window for the image export. Inside that pop-up, look for the Format field. By default, it may be set to JPEG, but for the cleanest result, especially when you want sharp text and a crisp image, switch that setting to PNG. PNG is a great choice when you want better clarity and less compression. After that, enter a clear file name so it's easy to recognize later, then choose the folder where you want the image to be saved on your computer. When everything looks right, click the blue Export button in the bottom right corner of the window. CapCut will instantly extract that exact frame and save it as a PNG file in your selected location. That's all it takes. You position the playhead on the exact frame, open the toolbar menu, choose Export Still Frame, switch the format to PNG, and export the file. And just like that, your video frame is saved as a clean, high-quality image on your PC.